the truth is that nobody is really predispositioned to delegate. We don't delegate in sports. It's not like a coach is going to tell us, hey, find somebody else to do this workout for you so that you can improve. Or, in school, in high school, it's turn the page back, look up the answer. That's the answer. Do the homework yourself, learn this stuff yourself. In no world is our English teacher going to tell us to find somebody else to write a paper for us with less effort than we have. So every single person graduates high school and most of the time graduates college, never having any experience with delegation or telling somebody else what to do. And so therefore it is very, very uncomfortable. We've never been taught anything about it. And it's just frankly pretty scary stuff. So like I relate heavily. Like nobody knows how to do this stuff. And it's people think that delegation can be studied, that it's a science and you can learn it. I think it's much more of an art, and you really have to like practice. The only way to get better at managing people is to practice. So once you've done it and once you've learned how to manage people, I think the world is your oyster. Like you can just look around your town, your city. I mean, the thing about entrepreneurship is if you follow entrepreneurship and small business on social media, you'll hear this narrative of new ideas, scalability, Shark Tank, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs. The list goes on and on of like business titans who have invented something that changed the world. So therefore, if people put themselves in that entrepreneurial box, they think they got to find something scalable, raise venture capital, invent a new idea. And I'll be the first one to sit here and tell you that no, that's not the actual best way to build wealth and run companies. So if you're good at delegating people, you got your practice where you want it, you want to do some other things, shut your computer, look around your town. What services are you using? Who's in your neighborhood running with crews, trucks, people, or providing business services to your shop that you could potentially, do a little bit better. Everybody thinks, hey, I need to be the only one doing this. This needs to be a blue ocean where I'm the only one competing and I have this whole new space to myself. I'm a fan of, hey, let's do something that other people are already doing. And let's just carve out a little piece of the pie. We don't need the whole thing. We don't need a monopoly. We don't need the best business ever. Let's go just find an area where we can compete, get some business, and go from there.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.